Hans Snell is a Crew Monument graduate. He is also a CMU graduate. And he is a wonderful band teacher out at Central, and he has started composing. He composed a piece called Call of the Warriors, which has a little bit of a nod to Central High School, but it's basically about like kind of your beginning your band journey, and it has all kinds of really neat effects in it, but only the first 6 notes that usually we teach in middle school band. And Mr. Snell even came out on Tuesday morning, I believe it was, and worked with the kids and answered their questions about composing music and talked about how he wrote this piece. And this piece has not been performed, I think, more than once or twice, so not quite a world premiere, but really close, of Call of the Warriors by Hans Christian Snell.